Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. Look at the upcoming forecast across West Central Texas. This briefing is being updated early Thursday morning. Well, we're looking at some gusty winds as the main weather story across the area for Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. For this afternoon, again, we're looking at some decent probabilities, maybe even pushing 60 to 70% probability. Some wind gusts up above 39 or 40 miles per hour across some of those hills south of Sweetwater into the south of Abilene as well. And again, some pockets south of San Angelo where there's a little bit of elevation there as well. So again, much of the area will see gusty winds, but those higher elevations will likely see the strongest wind speeds for this afternoon. Again, gusty winds on Friday ahead of a cold front, and then gusty winds on Saturday behind a cold front as well. Again, looking at the same probabilities for Saturday behind the cold front with those gusty north winds. Again, elevation not playing as big a role on Saturday with gusty winds pretty much area-wide. Again, maybe much of the area, 25 to 35 or 40% chance of some wind gusts above 40 miles per hour. So it's been a fairly quiet weather across West Central Texas the last week to 10 days. But at least the winds are starting to pick up across the area as we get into a little bit more active pattern. Temperature-wise, again, this afternoon, much like we saw on Wednesday afternoon, warm, breezy, as we've already mentioned, afternoon highs, low to mid-70s across much of the area. Friday will be the warm day ahead of the cold front. Looking at some temperatures pushing into the upper 70s to lower 80s across much of the area. Cold front comes through on Friday night into early Saturday. Cooler, strong gusty north winds behind the front on Saturday, again, as we've already mentioned. High temperatures generally in the mid-50s to mid-60s. Down around freezing Sunday morning, though. That'll be the cold morning before highs on Sunday, mid to upper 50s. So about where we should be, or maybe a little bit cooler than normal for this time of year. Looking well ahead, looks like chance of rain with another system starting to push in for midweek. Again, that's a full week away, so we'll be keeping an eye on that and update you as we get a little bit closer. Thank you, and we'll continue to keep you updated.